Today, 5th May 2021, in Business Study, Unit Market Financial Management, topic is financial decision. So now the question is, what is financial decision? Financial decision means deciding three major issues in any organization: activities on which fund should be utilized, resource from which fund should be raised, and how profit should be used. This is the three: activities on which fund should be utilized, resource from fund should be raised, and how profit should be used. There are broadly three type of financial decision. Investment decision. How many type of financial decision? There are three broadly. Number one, investment decision, financial decision, and dividend decision. Present these decisions and major group in the alternative for the each type of decision. This is a picture. This is a diagram which is representing the financial decision with the help of the diagram. Financial decisions are three type: investment decision, financing decision, and dividend decision. In investment decision, fixed assets and working capital decisions are taken. In financial decisions, own fund and borrowing fund related to own fund or borrowing fund decision are taken by the finance manager. And in the dividend decisions, dividend and remained earning related to these kind of issues are taken in the dividend decision. Now, what is investment decision? This is the first types of financial decision. What is investment decision? Now the answer is investment decision involve deciding how funds should be invested in the different assets of the business so that the fund give maximum or optimum return. Since in an organization two broad types of asset, fixed assets and current asset also known as the working capital, and working capital means capital which is required for the fulfillment of day-to-day work are required. Investment decisions are grouped into the two broad category. Number one, capital budget decision and working capital decision. Capital budget decision is defined as, what is capital budget decision? Capital budget decision involve deciding investment in fixed assets like opening a new factory and branch, replacement of an existing plant and machinery, etc. Since capital budgeting decision involve the deciding investment in the fixed assets and has long-term implication, it is also known as the fixed capital decision or long-term investment decision. It has the following features. Number one, it has a long-term implication, and the investment made at the point of time result in the return of number of year. It involves substantial fund. It involves high degree risk and as assets as procured procedures. It involves high risk as assets are procured for the long term and there is a uncertainty about the future written because of the environment change. It is irreversible because funds are blocked into the long-term assets. Now come on the working capital decision, also known as the short-term investment decision. This is concerned with the decision about level of cash, inventory, and receivable. Working capital decision has the following features. Number one, it has a short-term implementation and affect day-to-day working of the business. It affect liquidity as well as profitability of the business. And fourth is efficient cash management, inventory management, and receivable management are essential ingredients of sound working capital management. After today topic, we have been studied about financial decision. Financial decision are three type. Number one, investment decision, financing decision, dividend decision. Investment decision, fixed assets and working capital. Investment decisions like this, working capital decisions, and this. In the next class we will study about factor affecting the capital budgeting decisions. ऐसे कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं जो कैपिटल बजटिंग डिसीजंस को इफेक्ट करते हैं, ये हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे.